How to change Instagram caption after posting. So let's get started. If you made a mistake or want to update your caption after posting, you can easily edit it. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Once inside your profile, all you have to do is find the post you want to edit and simply tap on it. Scroll down and look for the photo, then tap on the three dot in the top right corner of the post, then select edit from the menu. Now you can simply modify your captions, hashtags or location as needed. Now all you have to do is edit the caption as you want to, then tap on the done option available at the top right corner of your screen. And after you do so, your caption will be now updated. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.